Have you ever wondered why you're not getting ahead financially, no matter how hard you try? It's a question that nags at many of us, and often the answer lies in our financial habits. These habits, the daily choices we make about spending, saving, and investing, are the building blocks of our financial well-being. Yet many of us go through life on autopilot, without ever really questioning why we do what we do with our money. This is where the power of self-reflection and awareness comes into play. It's time to shine a light on our financial habits, to examine them critically, and to ask ourselves if they are serving us or holding us back. We're about to embark on a journey of financial transformation, exploring 9 habits that might be keeping you trapped in a cycle of financial stagnation. So buckle up, because it's time to break free and pave the way to financial freedom in 2024. Stay tuned to uncover the 9 habits that might be keeping you poor and how to break them. Our first financial pitfall is living beyond your means. This trap is all too easy to fall into. It's the lure of the immediate, the allure of the now, over the stability of the future. It's buying that new car on credit, even though your old one works just fine. It's the shiny new gadget that you don't really need but buy anyway, putting yourself further into debt. Let's take a look at John's story. He was caught in this cycle of overspending, living paycheck to paycheck, always chasing the next big thing. But one day, he decided to change. He started by identifying his needs versus his wants. Then he began to cut back and live within his means. It wasn't easy, but he stuck with it. He paid off his debts, and today, he enjoys the freedom of a debt-free life. Remember, living within your means is the first step to financial freedom. The second habit to break is ignoring your finances. It's akin to walking blindfolded on a tightrope. You're unaware of where your money is going. Financial problems are left to fester. Ignoring your finances is a form of denial that can lead to serious repercussions. Let's take the case of Jane, a single mother from Boston. For years, she ignored her mounting credit card debt, hoping it'd somehow disappear. But when she finally faced her financial reality, she was to devise a plan. She started tracking her expenses, reducing unnecessary costs, and chipping away at her debt. In less than two years, Jane was debt-free and had even started a savings fund for her son's college education. Her story is to the transformative power of facing your finances head-on. So, take control, keep track, and make informed decisions. Facing your finances head-on is a game changer. Now, it's time for you to take action. Don't wait until it's too late. Face your finances today and change your financial future. Challenge yourself to take control. And remember, the first step is always the hardest. But once you start, you'll see the benefits. Be like Jane, be a game changer. And don't forget to comment below and subscribe to the Daily Rebirth for more financial freedom tips. The next 2 habits are interconnected: not having a budget and lack of saving. Now, you might be thinking, what's the big deal? I've got my finances under control. But here's the truth. Without a budget, it's like sailing a ship without a compass. It's just a matter of time before you hit an iceberg. Let's delve into the world of budgeting. Picture it as your personal financial blueprint. It helps you understand where your money is going, enabling you to make informed decisions about your spending, saving, and investing. When you have a budget, you're in control. You're the captain of your financial ship, steering it towards your dream destination, be it a comfortable retirement, a world tour, or a debt-free life. But how do you create a budget? It's simple. Start by tracking your income and expenses. Understand your spending habits. Then, based on your financial goals, allocate your income accordingly. Remember, every dollar has a job to do, and that job should align with your financial goals. Now let's talk about saving. It's like the lifeboat on your financial ship. Emergencies are unpredictable. They strike when least expected. An emergency fund acts as your financial safety net, keeping you afloat during tough times. And it's not just about emergencies. Saving is crucial for future endeavors too, like buying a home, starting a business, or pursuing higher education. Here's an inspiring story. Meet Jane. She was living paycheck to paycheck, barely making ends meet. But she decided to break free from this cycle. Jane started budgeting and saving. She allocated a portion of her income towards her savings every month, no matter how small the amount. Fast forward to today, Jane has a robust emergency fund and is debt-free. She's living proof that budgeting and saving can transform your financial life. So remember, a budget isn't a restriction, it's a tool for freedom. It gives you the power to decide where your money goes, instead of wondering where it went. And saving? It's your financial buffer, allowing you to weather life's storms with confidence. A budget is a roadmap to wealth, and saving is your vehicle. Now, let's tackle impulsive spending and overspending on housing. Impulsive spending is the financial equivalent of a sugar rush. It feels great in the moment, but leaves you with nothing more than a financial hangover. It's the pair of designer shoes you didn't need, the top-of-the-line tech gadget you could have lived without, or that impromptu vacation that blew a hole in your wallet. These spending sprees might bring temporary joy, but they often lead to long-term money woes. So how can we curb this habit? It starts with understanding that every dollar you spend impulsively is a dollar less for your savings, investments, or other financial goals. Next time you're tempted, pause. Ask yourself if this purchase truly aligns with your financial goals. Is it worth sacrificing a piece of your future financial freedom? Now, let's shift gears to overspending on housing. It's easy to fall into the trap of desiring the biggest, most luxurious house on the block. But here's the reality. If housing eats up too much of your income, you're setting yourself up for financial stress. A common rule of thumb is the 28% rule. This suggests that your monthly housing costs should not exceed 28% of your gross monthly income. Spending more can leave you house poor, with little left for other essential expenses, let alone savings or investments. Let's take a leaf out of John's book. John was a classic impulsive spender, who also allocated almost half his income to his swanky downtown apartment. He realized the error of his ways when he struggled to pay off a car repair bill. Determined to change, John started budgeting his income, curbed his impulsive spending, and moved to a smaller, more affordable apartment. Today, he's debt-free and has even started investing. Remember, the key to financial freedom lies not in the size of your paycheck, but in how you manage it. Making thoughtful decisions about spending and housing can drastically improve your financial health. The next two habits concern your income growth: neglecting investing and relying on a single income source. Let's delve into the world of investing first. Imagine you've planted a seed. Now, you could leave it alone, hoping it will grow into a towering tree. Or you could water it, nurture it, and give it the attention it needs to thrive. Your money works in the exact same way. Left in a savings account, it might grow at a snail's pace. But with investing, you're actively nurturing your money, giving it the potential to grow exponentially. Now, investing does come with its share of risks. It's not about wagering your hard-earned money on a roll of the dice. Rather, it's about making informed decisions, understanding market trends, and being patient. It's about planting many seeds and watching them grow over time. Consider the story of Sarah. Once a novice, she started with small investments in low-risk funds. As she learned more, she gradually moved on to higher-risk, higher-return investments. Today, she enjoys a steady stream of passive income from her diverse portfolio. Her tale is testament to the power of persistence and knowledge in the world of investing. However, investing is only half the battle. The other half is diversification of income. Relying on a single income source is akin to putting all your eggs in one basket. It's risky and limiting. Take Tom, for example. He was comfortably earning from his 9-to-5 job, but he knew that one stream of income wouldn't provide the financial security he desired. So he ventured into freelance consulting, started a small online business, and invested in real estate. Today, Tom has multiple income sources that not only provide him with financial security, but also give him the freedom to explore new opportunities without the fear of losing his only source of income. In essence, investing and diversifying are not just about income growth, but also about creating a safety net. They're about ensuring that you have more than one lifeline in the event of financial setbacks. Growing your money through investment and diversification is crucial for financial independence. Our final habit to break is not seeking financial education. In a world where money makes the globe spin, ignorance isn't bliss. It's a roadblock. Understanding financial concepts, from the basics of budgeting to the complexities of compound interest, is essential. It's like learning a new language, the language of money. Consider the story of Jane. She was stuck in a rut, living paycheck to paycheck, with no idea how to break the cycle. She decided to make a change and dove headfirst into financial literature. Books, podcasts, seminars, you name it, she consumed it. Gradually, she began to see the bigger picture. She learned to budget effectively, started investing, and even built multiple streams of income. Jane's story is a testament to the transformative power of financial education. Knowledge is power, and in this case, it's the power to achieve financial freedom. Never stop learning about money. It's the key to unlocking your financial potential.